Kesana tatapang lukaku, kering depatku, keluguran dekat kasih, biasa ng mimiwasku, paano mo manasakitku, keluguran dekat kamu. Kailangan pinabigyan na pamini, solo malyari mo pinakadana ka, please, soli ka na mamalyari, adwa ka namang may sabi. Ikaluguran na kapilang beses ko na sinabi, ikwayo ng may gawani, ikwayo may karas, ikwayo na rin na sila, ipuso ay alas. Sinapak niya mong balas, yung puso kong may di, hindi nanas kong kakadyaw panayati. Noong balo mo sana, wala daw ang puli, ay nisabing ko na kaluguran na kasi. Noong may pulumawot, lalo kong malasakit, basta ikasaya ka, halaga malasakit. Ngayon ang buri mo, apalang gaman ko, maramdaman ko, tamalit pagkaminat ko, ang mga palwa ko, uling alala ko, liwanag o papahol ko. Ito sana tatapang luka ko, kering depat ko, kaluguran dekat kasi, biasa ng mimiwas ko, paano mo manasakit ko, kaluguran dekat.
Pipiliin niya dahil mahal kita, kalukuran na ka ay yung malasakit ko. Malo mo para sa'kin napakasakit, mas makakabuti na ako'y umiwas dahil sa ayoko pumasaktan, ayokong mabalisa. Mas mabuting mag-isa kahit maparalisa, di mapakalisa, sitwasyon ko na sa kargabyadong kalagayan. Gusto ko laging tagayan, bakit di mo ko damayan? Halika ako'y damayan, hanggang sa'ko'y malasing at tuluyang mapraning. Pag natulog ako neng, sana di na magising. Ayoko na ganto, ayoko na ganyan, ayoko na makita, baka lalong masakal. Ayoko umiyak, ubus na ang luwa ko, kaya paalam na mahal ako na alayo.
Ito sana tatapang luka ko, kering depat ko, kaluguran dekat kasi, biasa ng mimiwas ko, paano mo manasakit ko, kaluguran dekat kamu.
The feeling within this tune, you could be feeling the feeling too. You could be so in L-O-V-E-D-T, she has a boy. This girl has got this kid's heart, but this kid has not got hers. Somebody else already took it just because he had came first. But I'm not just gonna stay here and do nothing I do about it. I don't shout shit, I write lyrics, go to studio where I can mouth it. She said he loves her so much, but mine is times 1,000. Rhymes I could write a tune and sing to her up on a mountain. I had a vision of me and I'm married, now I can't get over her. I don't know why I won't leave my mind, this supernatural girl. In fact, you know what, yo, I think she's an angel. I really want us to be together, but I don't think I'm able to. Anything is possible, I like her more than myself. I like her and it's distracting me, and also my health. I can't sleep well, cause I'm always thinking of her. I can't sit down and relax, cause I'm waiting for my turn.
Ito sana tatapang luka ko, kering depat ko, kaluguran dekat kasi, biasa ng mimiwas ko, paano mo manasakit ko, kaluguran dekat kamu.
Paalam ang lumalabas sa aking labi, sa lahat ng nangyari sa akin mo na isisi. Mahal kita ngunit kailangan lang, pagkat di nakayanan ng mga hadlang. Ikaw ang unang bumitaw at iniwan ako, luhay pumatak, bakit ba nagkaganito? Sumabay sa ulan ang pagpatak ng aking luha, sana ay kayakap kita. Huwag mo sanang limutin ang pag-ibig na inalay ko, dahil minamahal kita kahit ako'y lumalayo. Sana alam mo nasasaktan ako, dahil minamahal kita.
This is Jeremy the man.